Hey everybody, it's Naturally Ann here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And if you've been here before, welcome back, mi amor. I am here today to show you what am I doing with my hands? I don't know. But I'm here to show you how I did this lovely twist out, and believe it or not, this is the first day hair. Now, if you've been here for a minute with me, then you know that like this is what my hair looks like around the third day. But I really did this thunder is going nuts, bro. Are we done? Like I was saying, I really did some separating and fluffing today when I took my twist out, and excuse me, and you know, it just came out real nice, and I was just like, okay, I'm with it, I'm rocking with it, we good, we here. Because usually I like to start off with like a small defined twist out, and I like it to grow, but you know, this was cool too. But the product that I used was Mielle Organics boop twisting souffle, the pomegranate and honey twisting souffle, and it says it enhances curls with semi-deep definition with intense hydration for thick, curly type 4 hair. This is my first time ever using anything from Mielle Organics, and I have to say that I'm absolutely astounded by the results. I was astounded at the point I got done with my twist. I was like, oh my god, I'm about to just keep these twists in my head. Like, they looked so full and juicy, and like I've never used a hair product that was specifically made for type 4 hair. So I was really excited when I read this and I noticed it, because I'm like, I have type 4 hair, and I just saw a big difference in using this versus using stuff that is not specifically for type 4 hair. Like the deep moisture, like ooh, what? And it says semi-deep definition. Okay, so that's probably why I have a little, like, it's a little bit like poofier than my normal twist outs would be. But my hair feels amazing. It's hydrated, it's voluminous, it's moving. Okay, we're not stiff. Stiff where? Stiff where? Nowhere, not even in the back. Like flipping, bouncing, shaking. Hello? Like, I just can't. But it says the directions are to prime wet hair with pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner before styling, and I did not do that. I actually used a new shampoo and conditioner that I'm going to be telling you guys about soon. Stay tuned for that. Like I said, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And then define curls by applying twisting souffle to section damp or dry hair. I dampened my hair, you're gonna see in the video. I'm not trying to talk, I'm not trying to do a voiceover, y'all. I really hate doing voiceovers, but I'm probably about to just have to go back to doing them because I talk too much. But anyway, finger comb or comb through evenly, distribute product before twisting or braiding. Allow hair to air dry or sit under dryer. They'll typically use to style twist outs, style as desired. And I think I want to try to use this for a wash and go, because the curls that I had as I was applying the product and then like I brushed it, I was just like, what the F? But when it comes to a wash and go, like I'm still trying to figure it out. Cause I mean, like, I'm okay with my wash and goes turning into just a big afro, because my hair is gonna turn into a big afro regardless, because that's the kind of hair I have now. Like this, I feel like, yeah, I got some definition, I got some curls, but at the end of the day, this is a big afro, especially because it was like 90 degrees today. My roots, I'll just poke myself in the eye. But look at that. Oh my god, and I sprayed myself in the eye with the water yesterday. Like, I'm such a klutz. But like, look at, like, you can see my roots. Like, wow, I almost kept the twist all day and then just came back after. Like, this is my work shirt, like what I wear to work, but I almost just kept the twist and then just I kind of wish I did that, but it's okay. But yeah, this is how my Twistout came out, and I love it. I love it. I love this hair product. And then a little bit, like, I didn't even have to use a lot per section. Like, a little bit, people say use a dime sized amount, and I ain't gonna lie, I be using like a quarter size. But I put the quarter size amount on the whole section that I was working on. And then, you know, I just went on with the twist. And I just feel like it really was too much. Like, I really could have used a dime size amount and been okay. Like this, amazing. Amazing. I'm so glad I decided to try it out. So yeah, if you guys are interested in how I did this twist out, keep on watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Leave a big old thumbs up on this video if you like my twist out, and if you like this hair product, if you've used Mielle Organics, and what other Mielle Organic products would you like to see me try? Let me know in the comments. So yeah, let's get into the video. you.